challenge most people face when it comes to decking out their small home or apartment is making it functional, cohesive, and aesthetic, like the thousands of photos they've saved on their Instagram and hundreds of photos on Pinterest. All the while staying within their budget. Sounds familiar, right? Well, what if I told you a part of that secret to that dreamy vibe actually lies just a few clicks away on Amazon? I know it can be hard to believe, but trust me, I've made it happen. My living area, the hallway, and home office filled with Amazon gems, from storage units to decor pieces, lights, home office accessories, you name it. And as we speak, I've got a bunch of makeovers lined up, and they'll definitely have Amazon gems. So stick around till the end, because I'm about to show you how to transform your space without breaking the bank using a few genius Amazon finds. Alright, let's talk storage and organization. If you're anything like me, you've probably faced that dilemma of keeping your space organized while maintaining that stylish flair. Well, here's the secret. Amazon has a ton of options, but the trick is finding the right balance between functionality and aesthetics. And trust me, I'm no stranger to this. When decking out my space, I knew I wanted a mix of styles. Mid-century, Scandinavian, bohemian, industrial, all together merged to create a beautiful space. Starting with this industrial shelving unit, you guys have asked a lot about it, and not only does it add tons of storage, but also that raw visual appeal that we all crave for in a space. To add to that visual appeal, I added a few devil's ivy plants and smart cabinet lights that I'll talk about a little later in the video. I also threw in some of my favorite books and 3 rattan baskets, all from Amazon, to keep those tiny miscellaneous items in order. Now let's head over to the home office side of things. Same vibe, but a little more tech-centric. On the bottom shelf, you'll find 3 rattan baskets, and what's inside? Cables, plugs, adapters, basically everything you need to keep your home office running, but put away in organized chaos. And of course, I've got some decor pieces, my trusty HP Tango printer, a watch box, gimbals, and you guessed it, even more plants. Let's step out the storage and organization train for a second. If you've ever struggled with a bulky, clunky printer that's about as smart as a rock, let me introduce you to the HP Tango X. I've used it for about 3 years now, and the fact that I can print documents from the other end of the house while seated at the toilet was quite compelling for me. Now, besides the fact that it does a great job, it's super easy to use, and the only maintenance I've had to do is change the ink cartridges. Another compelling thing for me is how this watch from Home & Handpicked has held out. 4 years on and it still looks as good as new. For the watch lovers out there, trust me, you won't regret it. In addition to the watch compartment up top, you also get a small storage drawer at the bottom, which you can use to store all the little bits and bobs. Think USB adapters, batteries, earphone tips, basically all the little accessories that pile up. Just like my ever-growing pile of socks, but luckily I've got this flip shoe cabinet with a compartment that helps me neatly organize them. Not only does it help with the socks, but also shoe storage, as well as a place where I can sit when putting on my shoes before I leave and when I come back home. Speaking of home, your mail, caps, keys can use an entryway organizer like this one as a home. Now, just to be clear, I built this one by myself, but you can always find similar looking ones on Amazon, and the best part is they are quite affordable and you can always pick one that tickles your fancy. This entryway sideboard could also tickle your fancy, and while it's also not from Amazon, there are similar looking ones that work just as well. Same as this entryway mirror. The one I have I got from IKEA, but you can get something somewhat similar from Amazon. Now, before someone asks about the shelves I used to build this plant wall, again, these ones are from my local hardware store, but you can get something similar from Amazon and get the same outcome. In case you'd like to recreate the same look, it's a DIY project that can be done in one weekend. Now let's dive into something else that adds to the ingredients of a cozy home: lighting. You might not know this, but lighting has the power to completely change the look of a room. I don't know about you, but I rarely use the ceiling lights. Why, you ask? Well, because they make the space feel like a hospital. Seriously, you know that stark fluorescent vibe of a hospital? Not exactly what I'm looking for. So let me show you how you can use a variety of lights from Amazon to create that warm, inviting feeling in your home. Starting in the hallway, I've got these rechargeable wall sconces on either side of the mirror, and they add so much warmth to that space. If you'd ask me, it's not about just lighting up the hallway, it's about creating an atmosphere. The best part, there are so many options in terms of design, colorways, so you can always choose something that flows well with the theme of your home or apartment. Underneath the shelves, I've got these rechargeable park lights. They're not just functional, they also add an additional layer of warmth. Trust me, every time I have friends over, they always get drawn in. And the best part, depending on what you're feeling, you can always change the colors to suit the vibe. Once they run low on juice, you can recharge them using a USB-C cable. Next, we hit the home bar area. I've got this donut lamp that's inspired by the original design from IKEA. Even without turning it on, it adds so much warmth to the space, and when it comes on, it elevates the space even more. I also threw in a Govee LED strip behind the bester and an IKEA lamp to take the vibes a notch higher. Again, if you don't have an IKEA next to you, no worries. There are lots of options on Amazon and you can always pick one that tickles your fancy. Heading to the living room, on the industrial shelving unit, I've got these cabinet lights I mentioned a little earlier. Unlike the park lights, these ones are wired, but once you get past setting them up, you open up yourself to a world of vibes in their mobile app. In my case, warm and cozy always works. On either side of the TV, I've got a different type of park lights that are attached to the wall using double-sided tape and a magnetic ball joint. When you long press, you change the temperature to either warm or cool, and once you've got the temperature you like, 3 taps will get you the maximum intensity. Speaking of intensity, the park lights in these IKEA storage boxes can only get to their max intensity using this remote control. In terms of functionality, they work exactly the same as the ones in the hallway. Behind the TV, another Govee LED strip to add to the warmth. Oh, and I can't forget the Govee rope light on the media console. All together, they create a visual spectacle. Dining area time. Over here, it's the carved floor lamp, the IKEA donut lamp, and these 3D wall art that create a unique look. Now, even though the carved floor lamp and donut lamp are from IKEA, you can get similar looking ones from Amazon, and I just touched on one of them not too long ago. As for the bulb, I'm using a smart bulb from Melrose, which is super easy to control in the Melrose app. When it comes to the 3D LED wall art, by itself, it elevates the visual appeal of the dining area. Then, when you turn it on using this remote control, it takes the visual spectacle of the dining area even a notch higher. Just like these wall sconces do to this area of the dining. In case you're wondering, they are the same exact wall sconces as those ones in the hallway. Moving into the home office, this is where I leaned into different lighting types from Amazon. Again, while there are a few lamps from IKEA, they can easily be swapped with Amazon options. Starting with this carved floor lamp, it not only adds ambient light to the space, but also acts as a task light when I pretend to read a book in my home office. Once again, the bulb is from Meros, and through the app, control is a walk in the park. I've also got these mushroom and crow lamps, which together with the Govee LED strips create that warm, inviting feeling on the back wall. Circling back to the mushroom lamp, they are such a design statement, hence the reason why I've got one in my second setup and a few hanging around for my next project. Back in the main setup, on the front wall, the nano-leaf lines add so much warmth to the desk area. Then the Govee monitor lights and Govee LED strips create separation between the desk and the wall. If you have no idea where to start when it comes to lighting, it's all about layers, and you can create the perfect mood for your space one purchase at a time. Now, to be clear and transparent, this video isn't being sponsored by Amazon. Everything I've mentioned in this video I've bought with my own money, and it's taken me 5 years to get everything to this point. As we wind up on lighting, we've got to talk about task lighting. As the name suggests, they help you with tasks. For instance, the screen by halo reduces eye strain when I'm using the monitor, and the Elgato key light, that's what keeps me looking sharp during online meetings. Alright, let's switch gears and dive into the techie side of things. First up, let me introduce you to my smart bin, which does more than just keep rubbish out of sight. It automatically opens when it senses movement, and that's just the start. When it's time to empty the bin, it seals off the trash bag for you, making the whole disposal process super easy and satisfying, but that's not all. Bin automatically replaces the old trash bag with a new one, and as for the battery, it lasts almost 2 months, so you don't have to worry about recharging it all the time. Next up, let's talk about this smart speaker stool. At first glance, it might look like an ordinary stool, but once you hear it, you'll understand why it can be a good addition to your space. The sound quality, incredible. If you thought that was all, it's also got a phone charger. So, while you kick back enjoying a book, you can juice up your phone, and when you're not using it for music or charging, this stool becomes a design masterpiece that perfectly fits in your living room, hallway, bedroom, or home office. Moving on, these PS5 controller chargers are gorgeous and would fit perfectly in any walnut-themed setup. The only problem, they've been out of stock on Amazon for a while now, but don't worry, I'll always keep my eyes peeled in case they come back on stock. Something that's actually in stock is this electric can opener. This thing is super easy to use. Once the blade sinks into the can, it cuts it up in less than a minute. I mean, who wants to struggle with manual openers anymore? Speaking of struggling with manual openers, this electric wine bottle opener will save the wine lovers out there from that struggle. Just like the can opener, with a bit of guidance, you'll get your wine bottle open in less than a minute. When it runs out of juice, just plug it in with the included micro USB, and in less than an hour, you'll be up and ready to go again. Speaking of up and ready to go, these Ugreen 100-watt chargers will get you up and going faster than you can ever imagine. It comes with 3 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port. As for use case, I usually charge my camera batteries at the pegboard charging station, then a lot of the accessories I use on my desk on the one plugged underneath the desk. Moving on to organization, let me introduce you to this label printer. If you've ever struggled to keep your space organized, this will be your new best friend. You just connect it to your phone using the Nim app, pick a label, and boom, the label is ready in just a matter of seconds. It's exactly how I organized my pantry, and trust me, it makes everything look so streamlined and put together. For those who love vintage decor, I haven't forgotten you. This rotary phone, it's a showstopper, and together with these 2 vintage speakers, they add the perfect touch of visual interest and nostalgia to any space. Well, there you have it guys, lots of Amazon finds that can help you elevate your home both aesthetically and functionally. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and click the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. If you like Amazon finds, chances are you'll also like IKEA finds. So here's a video with exactly that. Until then, people of the internet, I'm signing out. See you over here.